Hey guys, are you a civil engineer? Do you want to get trained in the structural design field with the latest available software? Do you want professional experience on working on a live project of both architectural planning as well as structural design at an affordable price? So at Civil Center, we have the answer for you. So we have launched the recorded sessions of G+3 building planning and design using Tekla Structural Designer, in which we'll teach you how to do the planning of a building, how to make the structural drawing of a building at a very cheap and affordable price of rupees 3,500. And in this course, we'll cover all the aspects starting from the very beginning if you want to make a building from scratch. That is how to take the requirements from your clients for which you want to make the building, including the building components and their orientation, the vastu considerations, conceptual planning, all the drafting tools required in CAD, and the final plan drafting in the AutoCAD, and then collecting the structural drawing requirements, and then column positioning and orientation, how to make the center line, how to calculate the loads, how to do the modeling, analysis, design as per the IS codes, Indian standard codes in the Tekla Structural Designer, which is the latest software available for the structural design and the easiest one too. And after that, how to do the data interpolation so that you can make an economical as well as safe design for your clients. And after that, we'll also show you how to calculate BOQ using the software and also manual design of staircase. After completing this course, you will be able to generate final architectural plans as well as final structural drawings for your clients. You will get access to the group of a recorded session of Tekla Structural Designer for the lifetime, in which all the students added can ask their doubts anytime. As you can see, one student has asked doubt has been cleared, and the feedback and question asking process continues. You can ask any doubts related to software lifetime, even if you are taking the course, and even if you're taking the recorded sessions, even after many years, if you ask any doubt, that all those doubts will be cleared by your experienced consultants. So what are you waiting for? You can join our course using the link which has been given in the description. So check out the link which has been given below. Bye bye.